A good man is not going to look at your past. He's going to look at what you are right now. Are we clear? Yes. And that is the point. The person is not going to see how beautiful you are, because the beauty only works for 4 or 6 months. After 6 months, you are all the same. All the what? That is why a number of beautiful women are never taken. Because they only think about beauty. I want a lady from this program to be a woman of valor. All right? A woman that has integrity. People are looking for workers that have integrity. A woman that knows how to dress. Some of you dress like I don't know. China. The other one is looking in Cambodia. Learn what hairstyle works on you.